The question is, if I am possessed by jinns, if I got black magic, if I got stress, depression, anxiety, or maybe I am facing difficulties in my life, I am facing paranormal activities in my home, so can I do treatment by my own self? If someone in my home, my daughter, my son, they are possessed, can I do treatment? Yes, you can do it. And the procedure is, you have to bring your daughter, your sister, anyone who is possessed by jinns, anyone who has got black magic, bring him in the room, do wuzu, ablution, and then sit in that room. Start reciting azan for 3 times. After that, you have to recite Suratul Fatiha, then Suratul Falaq, Suratul Nas. Maybe you can recite 4 quls. Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq, qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas, and before these 2 surah, qul ya ayyuhal kafirun and qul huwallahu ahad. 4 quls you can recite after that. And then Ayatul Kursi. After Ayatul Kursi, you have to recite the last verses of Suratul Baqarah. Maybe 2 verses, sometimes you can recite 3 verses, it is up to you. And then recite from Suratul A'raf from verse 117 to 122. And then from Surah Taha, chapter number 16, from 65 to 73. Surah Saffat from verse number 1 to 10. And then Suratul Ahqaf, chapter number 26, from verse number 31 to 32. And then again 3 times azan in the ears of patient. This is the procedure of treatment you can do by your own self. If you need any type of consultancy regarding black magic, jinn possession, evil eye, depression, anxiety, even paranormal activities in home, so we are giving our services free of cost. We do visit abroad, internationally we are recognized. Quranic Ruqyah Center is our platform. We have visited Maldives, Dubai, and Saudi Arabia. We are based in Pakistan, Karachi, and we give online sessions privately as well. Keep following us. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.